Imagine your daily commute costing just 1 rupee, 2 paise per kilometer, in a brand new Maruti EV. The Suzuki Sky Vision, recently spied testing, could very well be India's first truly affordable electric car. It's set to change everything you know about EV ownership, potentially starting under 10 lakh rupees ex-showroom. You've seen the spy shots, haven't you? This isn't just another EV on the horizon. This is Maruti Suzuki throwing their hat into the affordable electric ring. And when Maruti does affordable, they do it like no one else. The Sky Vision, caught testing right here on Indian roads, signals their aggressive intent to dominate the sub-10 lakh EV segment. A space, frankly, that's been begging for a truly mass-market, practical solution. This car is heavily rumored to be based on the globally showcased Suzuki EWX concept, meaning it's designed from the ground up for electric. This isn't an ICE conversion, no. It's a dedicated EV platform, albeit optimized and localized aggressively for the Indian market. Now, here's a mind-blowing fact most people miss. Maruti's decades of expertise in optimizing manufacturing processes, leveraging a massive, deeply integrated supplier network, and perfecting component sharing across models. All of this gives them an unfair advantage in building a truly affordable EV. They can achieve cost efficiencies that new players, or even established global brands, simply can't match at this scale in India. And that directly translates to a lower sticker price for you. We're looking at a tentative launch timeline of late 2024 to early 2025. So not too long to wait at all. Let's talk about the specs that truly matter to you, the Indian buyer. The Suzuki Sky Vision is expected to pack a battery size in the sweet spot for urban commuting, likely between 20 to 25 kilowatt-hours. This should translate to an ARAI-certified range of approximately 250 to 300 kilometers. But here's an insider detail nobody mentions in reviews. Maruti is known to conservatively rate their vehicles. So, while the ARAI numbers will look good, you can realistically expect a real-world range of 180 to 220 kilometers on a single charge in typical Indian city conditions, with AC running. And that is more than sufficient for 90% of daily commutes. Power output will be around 40 to 50 kilowatts, roughly 55 to 68 brake horsepower, making it peppy enough for city traffic, but not a highway rocket. Boot space is estimated to be around 250 to 300 liters, comparable to a Wagonar, which is perfectly practical for your weekend groceries or a couple of suitcases. And crucially for Indian roads, expect a healthy ground clearance of 170 to 175 millimeters. So, those dreaded speed breakers won't be an issue. Charging? It will likely support a standard 3.3 kilowatt AC home charger, taking about 6 to 8 hours for a full charge overnight. And for convenience, a DC fast charging option that could juice it up from 10 to 80% in around 45 to 60 minutes. Now, for the numbers that hit closest to home, your wallet. We are anticipating the Suzuki Sky Vision to launch with a base variant priced aggressively at 9,49,000 rupees ex-showroom. When you add RTO, insurance, and other charges, the on-road price in a city like Delhi could be around 10,35,000 rupees. If you're looking at an EMI, let's assume a 15% down payment of 1,55,000. Your loan amount would be 8,80,000 rupees. At an 8.5% interest rate over 60 months, your EMI would come to approximately 17,980 rupees per month. That's a very manageable figure for a brand new EV. But the real savings come from running costs. Imagine paying just 1 rupee, 2 paise per kilometer for your commute, compared to 8 rupees per kilometer for a petrol hatchback like the Wagonar. This isn't just a number, it's thousands of rupees staying in your pocket every single month. Initial waiting periods are expected to be around 6 to 8 months, given the immense pent-up demand for an affordable Maruti EV. How does it stack up against the competition? Right now, its closest rivals are the Tata Tiago EV and the MG Comet EV. The Tata Tiago EV starts from 7,99,000 rupees ex-showroom, offering a slightly lower entry price point and a proven package. However,